Hi, so this question is cells in the range on the Excel sheet. So given the cells RC, and basically you want to return a list of cells x, y such that x is in the range between R1 and R2, y is a range between C1 and C2. So let's just look at this. So we know K1 represent this one, L2 represent this one, right? And just based on the first value, we know it's going to be colon. This one is colon, L is colon, and the second value should be integer, right? So it's going to be represent row. So just have to be more precise when you initialize your value variable, right? And then you just using the for loop to traverse, right? And yeah, let's start coding. So you need the list of string, result equal to new array list, return results, and then I'm gonna just initialize my x equal to what, s dot substring from 0 to 2, and then y equal to s dot substring from 3 to s dot length. So I use 0, 2, 3 and s dot length for a reason, because these constraints are fixed. If you want to be more precise, use a colon. You split the colon, and then everything from 0 to colon is going to be x1. Sorry, it's going to be a string x, and then everything after the colon should be y. And then yeah, because if you just open your Excel, like you can have AA1, AA2, AA3, something like this, right? But in this example, we don't do this. All right. So for the first index, it's represent what? A column. So I'm going to say char c equal to x dot char at 0, and then column less than equal to y dot char at 0, column plus plus, and then going to be exactly the same thing for the y. So it's going to be row equal to x dot char at 1, row less than equal to x dot char at should be y, sorry, y dot char at 1, and then row plus plus. Alright, I just want to make sure. So look at this value, 1 and 2, this represent row, right? So it should be chart at 1 index, and if the index 0 represent what? Column, right? So just say result add, using this trick, convert everything to string. So it's char, and this is string, so it will convert everything to string. So row plus column, this will return K1, K2, L1, A2. Alright, yeah. So this guy wants to be the first, column wants to be the first. Alright, sorry about that. So it's gonna be this. Alright. So this is the solution. So let's look at the time and space. This is the space, this is the time. All of them unrepresented of the string s. And then this will be what? All of c times all of r. I mean, it's going to be depending on the value, right? So all of c times all of r, so rc, right? Row and column. So there will be a time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.